Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn the definite article the. This is continued part of previous video that is about articles. Here we have already learnt indefinite articles. Now we must know another article that is definite article. So definite article is the. First and foremost, we must know when to use definite article the. Usages of definite article the. First usage, let us move on to the first usage. Before any singular common noun or noun complement which is being mentioned for the second time and onwards. So here we have indefinite article that is the. The is the definite article. So here the first usage of definite article the, that is before any singular common noun or noun complement which is being used or mentioned for the second time and onwards. So here in the previous video when we were learning indefinite articles, there we came across a usage, one usage that is about before any singular noun or noun complement which is being used for the first time. There we must use indefinite article, but here which is being used or mentioned for the second time and onwards, right? So there in this condition we must use definite article the. Example, in the first usage of articles, indefinite articles, there we have come across an example. So it is continued part of that example. Both have been given here. That indefinite usage of first usage of indefinite articles and that first example itself has been given here in the first example. That is, I saw a car hitting a man. It was first example there for first usage. So the continued part. So here I saw a car hitting a man. The man was injured and the car was damaged. Look at the usage. The indefinite articles, first usage, that is before any singular common noun or noun complement which is being mentioned for the second time and onwards, not for the first time, second time and onwards. So here I saw a car and hitting a man. In this sentence we are mentioning the noun for the first time, that is car and man. So in the second sentence, the man has been repeated here. For the second time we are using that man. The man was injured and the car was damaged. And even we have used car here for the second time. So we have used the. So in the next sentence, the man was rushed to a hospital and the car to a garage. Right? So here in the third sentence, the man we have used. In the same way we have used the car. See, in the second and third sentence also we have used definite article the, because car and man have been used for the second time and onwards. Thus we are using the definite article the here. So the rule itself is before a singular noun or noun complement which is being used or mentioned for the second time and onwards. It may be a second time or else more than that. That time we must use definite article the. In the same way, second example, she gave me a gift. The gift was expensive. So here in the second example, see, we are speaking about that gift. She gave me a gift, and we are specific in the second sentence the gift which was given by her. So we have used the because that gift has been specified or definite, right? So the gift which was given by her was quite expensive, to indicate that gift which was given by particular girl, right? So here that gift has been specified, right? So we must use definite article the there. And third one, I saw a stranger. The stranger turned out to be a thief, right? First time we saw a stranger. We are using for the stranger. The noun is being used for the second time. So we are using the, or else it is quite specific. We are particular about the stranger which whom I saw. That stranger was a thief. right? So we are specific about the stranger whom I had seen, right? So next one, an astrologer was sitting under a tree. So here we must see that in the first when we use astrologer was sitting under the tree. While I was coming back, I could see neither the astrologer nor the tree. See that for the first time we are using that astrologer. So we have used indefinite article and there. And he was sitting under a tree. A tree noun has been used for the first time in this sentence. And in the next sentence, see, we are referring to the same astrologer and the tree. So while I was coming back, I could see neither the astrologer nor the tree. For the second time, we are using astrologer and the tree. So we must use the there. So accordingly, we have used in the fourth example too. And let's move on to the second usage of definite article, that is before any singular common noun which is made specific or definite by addition of a phrase or a clause. See here in the first example, the girl in red dress is my sister. So we are speaking about that girl. We are specific and we are definite about that girl who is in red dress, that is my sister. So we are specific about a girl who is wearing red dress, right? That girl is my sister. Like that it is. And let's move to the second example. He is the man who rescued so many in Uttarakhand tragedy. We are showing or we are particular, specific or definite about a man. By showing him, we are speaking. We are saying that who rescued, right? He is the man, that person is the one who rescued so many in Uttarakhand tragedy, right? So this is the way we must use definite article the. In the next example, the man who faced failure for nearly 14 times and then emerged as a president is Abraham Lincoln. We are specific, we are definite, we are particular about that person, Abraham Lincoln here, right? So the man who faced failure for nearly 14 times. So here the man, we are specific about the man who failed nearly 14 times, who failed for nearly 14 times and then emerged as the president, that is Abraham Lincoln. So we are speaking about Abraham Lincoln by showing we are particular about a person who failed for nearly 14 times, right? So we are speaking, we are using addition, by addition of phrase. By using the phrase or clause, we must we can say that we can specify or we can definitely say something about someone. So here we in the third example we are speaking about Abraham Lincoln and he has been focused or made specific or definite or what can we say that particular about that person who failed nearly 14 times, right? So that is Abraham Lincoln. So in the next example, the cricketer who had been arrested for betting was Srishant, right? So we are speaking about a cricketer Srishant here and we are speaking about a cricketer. There are so many cricketers. We are particular about that cricketer who has been arrested. That's Srishant. Who has been arrested, that is Srishant. Like that it is. We are particular about that cricketer who was arrested for betting, that is Srishant, right? So we are speaking about a cricketer who involved himself in the betting, so that is Srishant, right? We are specific about that cricketer who involved himself in betting, so that is Srishant. To indicate that, we have used definite article the here. Let us move on to the next usage, that is with any singular common noun which is used to represent a class of things. See, represent a class of things. So here we must use definite articles. First one, the plant needs water. See that with any singular common noun which is used to represent a class of things. Class of thing. So it is applicable for everyone. The class of plant. Every plant needs water. The plant needs water. Our teacher must be impartial. Right? It is class of teachers. Or there is no more selfish being than the man. Class of man. So entire group. So there is no more there is no more selfish being than the man. Yes, specific about that man here. So let us in this way we must use definite article the. Let us move on to the next usage, that is before such noun which represents something which is only one of its kind, or what we say unique object or unique things. Okay, so there we must use definite article the. In the example we can see the Taj Mahal attracts many tourists. The Taj Mahal, it is unique, it is only one, right? So here we must use definite article the, as we must use the example itself is the Taj Mahal attracts many tourists. So before such unique objects we must use definite article. Second one, the sun sets in the west. Universal truth here. The sun sets in the west. So the sun unique and sets in the west. That is universal truth. We respect the Bible, the Quran, the Gita. And another one, these books are unique, holy books. Before holy books we must use definite article the. Next one, have you read the Ramayana? So Ramayana is a holy book, so we must use the there. So next one, fifth example, the spring is approaching. The spring is approaching. Before the seasons we must use definite article. Let us move on to the next usage, that is before adjectives used in superlative degrees, right? So you may be knowing about degrees also. Positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. So only before superlative degree we must use definite article. So first example, many say Madhuri Dixit has the most beautiful smile. Positive degree is beautiful smile, comparative degree is more beautiful smile, and the superlative degree is the most beautiful smile. We must not say most beautiful smile, the most beautiful smile we must say. So while writing also we must use the most beautiful smile. Like this, whenever you are using superlative degrees, before that we must use definite article. In the second example, Sachin Tendulkar is the best cricketer India has ever seen, right? So Sachin Tendulkar is the best. Good, better, best. Good is positive degree, better is comparative degree, and the best is the superlative degree. As best is superlative degree, before that we must use definite article the. So in the second example, Sachin Tendulkar is the best cricketer India has ever seen. Next one, next example, the highest award in literature is Jnanapita award. The highest award itself is Jnanapita award. So like this we must use definite article the, right? So here we must be careful about when to use indefinite articles and when to use definite articles. So here we have come across 5 usages. In 5 conditions we can use definite article, that is the, right? So this is the way we must use definite articles. I'll stop here, and in my next video I'll be teaching, or I'll be coming with another topic, omission of articles. Okay, thank you.